Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer tax bracket calculations into Moneydance easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Moneydance application. Navigate to the Accounts section on the left sidebar. Select the account you want to work with. Click on the Transactions tab. Locate the relevant transaction or income entry. Right-click on the transaction and choose Edit. In the Edit window, find the Category field. Select the appropriate tax category for that transaction. If the category is not listed, you can create a new one by clicking Add Category. Name the new category according to your tax bracket calculations. Enter details like the amount and date for the transaction. Once you've entered all necessary information, click OK to save changes. Return to the main dashboard. Now, navigate to the Reports section. Select Income and Expense Reports from the options. Look for a report that breaks down your income sources. Run the report for the specific time period you need. Check the summary to see how each category aligns with your tax brackets. If adjustments are needed, revisit your transactions and categories. Recalculate your total income as it will impact your tax bracket. Review the values to ensure accuracy before filing your taxes. Finally, save your Moneydance file to secure all entries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.